Now we are going to start with sine rule. Okay. Here are sine ratio. Sine ratio is only applicable when we are going to have a right angle triangle, a 90-degree triangle. Only then we are going to have sine ratio. Okay. And then we have got sine rule. What is sine rule? Sine rule is applicable in right angle triangle and non-right angle triangle both. Okay. Sine rule will be applicable in both right angle triangle and non-right angle triangle in both. But sine ratio, that is sine theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is only applicable in right angle triangle. Okay. Now, what is your, for instance, if you are having a triangle, if you are having a triangle ABC, if you are having a triangle ABC, okay, this is a triangle ABC, angle A, angle C, angle B. Opposite to angle A, you will have side A. Opposite to angle B, you will have side B. Opposite to angle C, you will have side C over here. Now, if this triangle is given and you are having this one, so the ratio between, in a triangle, the ratio between any side with sine of its opposite angle will be constant. The ratio between any side with sine of its opposite angle will remain constant. Means, for instance, if I am saying this side B, ratio, what is the opposite angle? Angle B, sine of angle B. That will be a constant. In the same way, angle A, opposite side A, ratio with opposite angle sine, that is sine A, that is also going to be constant. In the same way, side C, ratio with opposite angle sine C, and that will also be equals to a constant. It means B upon sine B, A upon sine A, and C upon sine C all will be equals to a constant. Now, if this is equals to constant, this is equals to constant, this is equals to constant, it means what? It means that this one B upon sine B will be equals to constant, and this thing is also equals to constant. So I will be saying A upon sine A, and this is also equals to constant. So this will become C upon sine C. This is your sine rule. Okay, this is your sine rule, and the same sine rule, as I have said, the ratio between any side with sine of its opposite angle So it's a ratio. I'm not saying that one has to be in the numerator, one has to be in the denominator. It means that the same thing which is written over here can be written as sine B over B, sine A over A, and sine C over C. So this is also your sine rule, and this is also your sine rule. Sine rule can be written in both ways. Now, when you are going to do the solution work, of course, as you can see over here, there are 2 equals to sine. So I can't solve it in the simplified form. What I have to do, whenever I am going to solve it, when I am going to use sine rule to solve my question, I will be taking any 2 ratio, not all 3 together, any 2 ratios I will be taking, and then I will be solving it. Means either I will be having sine B over B with sine A over A, or sine B over B with sine C over C. Either you will have this one, or sine A over A with sine C over C. So out of 3 ratios, you will take any 2 at once to get your solution, either in this way, or you will solve it in this way, or you will solve it in this way over here. Now we are going to talk about the conditions for sine rule. What are the conditions in which sine rule will be applicable? Okay, there are 2 rules which you can have. Number 1, either 2 angles are given and one opposite length of given angle is provided. Okay, this is the first condition, that if any two angle is given along with the length of one side which is opposite to any two angle which are given, if you have got that one, you can apply sine rule. How? For instance, this is a triangle. Okay, 2 angles are given. Angle X is given and angle Y is given. Okay, this angle is not given. I don't know which angle is there, so I'm not writing anything over here. Now, if along with these 2 angles, if I'm having this side, either this opposite side or this opposite side is given, any one of 2, not all, both of them, any one of 2, either in side opposite to X or side opposite to Y is given, then you can apply sine rule over here. Either this one or this one is given, then you can apply sine rule. Okay, 2 angles and one side which is opposite to your given angle, if that kind of thing is given, then you will say you can apply sine rule over there. The second condition in which I can have sine rule is that if 2 lengths are given, if two lengths are given and non-inclusive angle is given, then you will apply sine rule. Okay, non-inclusive angle and two lengths are given, then you will apply sine rule. What do we mean by that? For instance, this is my triangle A, B, C. A triangle ABC is given. Now they are saying that side A is given, any value, not over here. Side A will be given over here, opposite to A, and angle side B is given. So now, when will I apply sine rule? I should have non-inclusive angle. Non-inclusive angle means where these two sides are meeting. This is called inclusive angle. Where this line and this line is intersecting, this is called inclusive angle. They are saying that for sine rule, two lengths should be given. Two lengths are given, and non-inclusive angle should be given. So what will be the non-inclusive angle? This is inclusive angle, so I don't want this one. Either it should be this one, or either it should be this one. Only then you can have sine rule applied. Okay, non-inclusive angle should not be given. Any two sides, and inclusive angle should not be given. Non-inclusive angle should be given. Only then you can apply sine rule to get your solution. Okay, so these are the two conditions which you are going to have. In these two conditions, you will be applying sine rule.